Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my May 2022 BOXYCHARM Base Box unboxing. This is such a teeny little box, probably the smallest BOXYCHARM box that I've ever gotten, but I mean that's fine. No need for the waste in shipping materials. But so this is a monthly beauty subscription box, and this is the lowest price point in BOXYCHARM. I think we're up to maybe like $30 a month now for this box, but you always get 5 full-size products, and I'm usually very happy with the products that I get in BOXYCHARM, and I love the brands that I usually get in BOXYCHARM, so I'm really excited to get into this. But if you're not familiar with me and my channel, I just want to let you know that I unbox all of my beauty subscriptions here on YouTube. I have both of my Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag X unboxings up here on YouTube if you haven't seen those yet and you want to see what I got this month in Ipsy. I also get the BOXYCHARM Premium Box, so I'll be unboxing that here on YouTube very soon as well. And I review all of the makeup products that I get in all of these beauty subscription boxes as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series here on YouTube. So I would love for you to subscribe to my channel if those are the types of videos that you like to watch, which those are exactly what I like to watch. But so, since we're here to see the unboxing, let's get into it. So BOXYCHARM is great at always giving product information. I like to add up my total retail value on the products. But so, I love how they must have done this on purpose, right? Flipped everything over. So looking at it, I can't even tell what anything is. But I'm just going to start here. Okay, this is from the brand Dominique. I don't think I know this brand. It's Blur and Moisture Serum Primer. Cool. I love trying out primers, but I don't think I've tried out a serum primer. I feel like this is going to be an expensive product because just the packaging seems high end. Oh, but I love trying out primers. I think they can make such a difference in how my makeup looks. So I think they're so fun. Can't wait to try that out as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series like I was just telling you about. But so, this Dominique Cosmetics Blur and Moisture Serum Primer retails for $28. I guess that is pricey for a primer, but that's a little less than I was expecting. Next up, a product from Yensa. I got a product from Yensa in Ipsy this month as well. Oh, I think that was with my Ipsy points, but I get a lot of Yensa in Ipsy and BOXYCHARM, but I really like the brand Yensa. It makes my favorite concealer. But this here is the Skin on Skin Beauty Sponge. You know, I actually need to change out my current beauty sponge. I love beauty sponges. It's my preferred method to apply a lot of my different makeup products. So this came at a good time because it's just about time for me to get a new one, change it out. Ooh, I like the shape of this. And I am picky with sponges. I have tried out so many. So this is another product that I will do a full review on. The Yensa Skin on Skin Beauty Sponge retails for $18, which for a beauty sponge is pricey. Next up, I like the packaging on this with the rainbow. This is Skin Ink Supplement Bar Serum Glow Filter. 2 serums in this box. And you know what? This is actually, I think, a primer too, because it says use 1 to 2 pumps before makeup as primer to brighten skin, even skin tone, and help reduce the appearance of lines. Well, good thing I love trying out primers, and I'm really intrigued by this serum primer thing. Oh, the packaging on this is really nice. It's got these little beads inside of it. Oh, I really like the look of that. But that's kind of funny that I got 2 primers in this box. Luckily, like I was saying, I'm excited to try out both of these, but I definitely want to see more differentiation in the products because then it's like I'm going to be way too stocked up in primers for a while. Skin Ink Serum Glow Filter retails for $50. I love getting to try out these expensive products that I would never purchase on my own. So that is pretty cool. The next product here, this is another brand that I get so much of in Ipsy and BOXYCHARM, but I'm not mad about it because I really do like this brand. It's Ciate London Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint. That sounds beautiful. See, I got this in the shade Coconut. Got to take a peek at what that's going to look like. Oh, but I really love a glossy cheek. I love a liquid blush, so I'm very intrigued by this. Can't really tell what shade it is based off of this, unless this is the shade. But I am going to resist even swatching this right now because I have the full dedicated review video coming up soon, so I want to save it for that. But this Ciate London Dewy Blush retails for $22. Pricey. And then the fifth and final product here. Okay, so this is from a brand that I'm not familiar with. V Cosmetic. I really love getting to try out and learn about new makeup brands through these beauty subscriptions. So I am very excited about this. Yeah, let's see. V Cosmetics. Cosmetic with a K. This is the Liquid Velvet Lipstick. Oh, I love a liquid lipstick. Let's see if we can get a peek at what shade this is. I love the look of this. That's such a beautiful color. Like, this is the type of color that I would probably choose if I was purchasing this on my own. It's called Bubbly. Ooh, I hope this is a long-lasting liquid lipstick. That's my favorite type because I feel like this could be a beautiful shade for what comes to mind right away is my engagement party because of the name Bubbly. Picture champagne, and this would be such a beautiful color to wear. Okay, wow. I am really happy with all of the products that I got in this box. So let me tell you, the retail value of the V Cosmetic Creamy Liquid Velvet Lipstick is $22. So I'm going to do a recap. I'll let you know the total retail value. But I'm so excited that all of these are pretty much makeup products, which is what I prefer to get in BOXYCHARM. And that's what I put on my quiz and all that. So I'm glad that they really do seem to listen to my feedback, my likes. And I feel like these are all really pricey products too that I would want to try, but I wouldn't necessarily splurge on my own. So I feel like I got them for such a good deal. Yay, this is such a great BOXYCHARM month. So I got the Ciate London Dewy Blush, the Skin Ink Serum Glow Filter, the Dominique Blur and Moisture Serum Primer, the Yensa Beauty Sponge, and the V Cosmetic Liquid Lipstick. And that brings me to a total retail value of $140 that I spent like $30 on. That is awesome. I can't wait to try these products out in videos very soon. But if you've tried any of these products, I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on them, and also let me know what you got in your May 2022 BOXYCHARM Base Box. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.